An average rapper, stay talking about money or how I'm a bitch slapper. How I'm in the club every weekend with my goons. And if a nigga look at me wrong, then I'ma shoot. I'd rather talk about the skills I possess on the mic and how I'm trying to strive for the greatness like Mike. I came from the bottom where squabbing was an option. Niggas solve their differences now by gun popping. I ain't with the gossip, but trying to preach the gospel. But I be spitting righteous, they thinking I'm apostle. Came from the streets trying to make a living from bottles. Now I'm writing lyrics so vivid, clearer than goggles. Glasses, I know what I spit ain't for the masses. I'm just spilling my feelings, hope it's deeper than gashes. Tell me what you want me to be, mainstream or underground. I just wanna be recognized, y'all can fight for the crown. What you want me to be? Another victim, just another nigga dead or trapped in the system. 26 years I've been here surviving, but it feel like 100 years of wisdom has been behind me. I seen a lot of shit could've ended me in the past, but when I think about all the bullshit, I laugh. It's funny how your skin color kinda sets you a path. Labeled a gangbanger if Mexican or a black, but I'm not a gangbanger and I don't slang cane. I just do music trying to build on my name, make a legacy from the shit I spit on the track. Make a little money, then try and give back. Product of my environment, still I'm trying to live honest. Not knowing your history is the reason people is blinded. So tell me what you want me to be. The bad guy, the scapegoat? Shit, I'm trying to live a better life.